Waste paper vertical hydraulic baler. Manual loading of waste paper material. Compression tight and strong. Artificial steel wire binding. After the binding is strong, the compressed block can be pushed out directly.